The do loop until repetition is the post-test version of the do until loop. As in the do loop while, the process to be performed in the loop will always occur at least once because the Boolean is at the bottom of the loop. So we're going to do the code and then we're going to check the Boolean and we'll repeat until that value is true. Once it's true, we exit the loop. So as long as it's false, we'll keep repeating. So for the example, I'm going to use the same one I did for the do loop while, except I'm going to change out the do loop while valid equals false and say loop until valid. So that valid equals false was true. We're going to loop until valid is true. So while it's false, we'll repeat. Nothing else has changed from that previous lesson. Let me run the code. So I'm going to choose enter username. And again, if I put in something less than 7 characters, such as Harry, well, didn't like that. So I'll say Harry Henderson. Didn't like that because there's a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Harry. Didn't like that because I started with a number rather than A through Z. However, if I put in Harry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is an okay username. Works the exact same way. So you can see how the loop while and the loop untils can be interchangeable, as are the do loop whiles and the do loop untils. It's just a matter of how you write that Boolean expression. And that's why most languages don't have a do until and a do loop until. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Programming Practicum playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos I create, you can click my picture in the top right to subscribe to the channel.